Today we are looking at the Huano G Ray linear switch. They kind of look like Nixies. They're kind of middle of the road, middle clack, nothing crazy. A little bit of scratch. Apparently it's got some fancy lubricant and all this stuff, but who knows with Huano? I mean, I don't have a lot of experience with Huano switches. This is one of the first that have come across my desk. They claim it's a modern OG switch with extremely smooth typing experience. I would say that's probably accurate. Closest thing I got to it is some MX Reds. So we're going to do a full sound test with these guys, plus back-to-back against my MX Reds. Now my MX Reds are running dry. They're harvested from an old gamer board, so the stems are pretty much polished, so I didn't lube them at all. And they're running dry, so you're going to hear it in the back-to-back. All right, here come the sound tests. All right, these are pretty good. I don't mind them. As a cherry alternative, it's a little bit of scratch. It's obviously long poles. You can hear the long pole in the back-to-back versus an actual cherry. But cherry requires a lot of work. I mean, yes, I didn't lube these ones, but they still are filmed and spring swapped with sprit springs. These guys are stock. Overall, I think the switch is not bad. I don't mind it at all. I probably would take it over an actual Nixie. I don't like Nixies. Obviously, it's not super high clacking like all the HMX that we're used to here. It's nothing like the yogurts per se. But it's a strengthened palm, PA66, nylon with 30% fiberglass in the bottom. So it's basically nylon palm, nylon. It's not terrible. It's a cherry alternative. I myself would still go cherry. Keep in mind, this is not a Neo65. This is a Forever 65. Completely unfair, but it's just purely for reference for you guys to have a sound reference. So it's not completely in a vacuum. Otherwise, it would just seem like any other switch. Looking for a new switch, stock factory. It's technically fine. There's no ticking or anything. The rest of the marketing is hype. It's just an extremely smooth modern OG switch that's comparable in the mid-clack range, not crazy high like HMX. All right, next up, we're going to do the diffuser test. A lot of you want to hear the signs, whether taking out diffusers or not makes a difference. That's going to be require me to remove 67 switches, pull all the diffusers out, rebuild the board, record it, put all the switches back in, and then record it again. So I'll see you soon for that one. Peace out. I'll catch you guys again.